And now the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has asserted that the grand edifice of a developed India will stand on 4 strong pillars of youth power, women power, farmers and the poor. Addressing the joint sitting of both the Houses of Parliament today, she said India has seen completion of many such works in national interest in the last 10 years, for which people were waiting for decades. The President highlighted the construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya, saying people were hopeful for it for centuries and that dream has been fulfilled now. She also listed the abrogation of Article 370 from Jammu and Kashmir, banning triple talaq and other measures taken by the government in the last 10 years. The interim budget will be presented by the Finance Minister tomorrow in the Parliament.
कश्मीर से आर्टिकल 370 हटाने को लेकर शंकाएं थी, आज वो इतिहास हो चुकी है। इसी संसद ने 3 तलाक के विरुद्ध कड़ा कानून बनाया है। इसी संसद ने हमारे पड़ोसी देशों से आए पीड़ित अल्पसंख्यकों को नागरिक देने वाला कानून बनाया।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that those MPs who contribute